Okay, hi there everyone. So we're going to do a quick video on reverse percentages. Now I'm going to break this topic down into two different videos, one for non-calculators style questions and one for slightly harder calculator questions. So I'll do that on the next video. So this one is the non-calculator method. So firstly, what is the difference between a normal percentage question and a reverse percentage question? And in order to kind of demonstrate that, it might be easier to just to show you a side-by-side comparison of the difference between the two. So let me just put a line there, and what I'm going to say is this is question number one. So I buy at a 20% off sale. Let's say the t-shirt, the shirt originally cost £80. What is the sale price? And the other question would be, again, same thing. So I buy at a 20% off sale. I buy a shirt for £80. What was the original price? Okay, so which one is a reverse percentage question, which is a normal percentage question? Okay, so let's see, analyze the difference between the two. For this question on the left-hand side here, do I have the original value of the shirt? Do I know what the shirt cost originally? Yes, I do. It's £80. So then it's telling me that I've reduced £80 by 20%. And therefore, I'm trying to work out the new sale price. So actually, this is just a normal percentage decrease question. I'm trying to work out from the original value. So this is actually 100%. You're trying to work out what the new sale price is. So it's a simple percentage decrease question, which we've done before. Whereas this one on the right hand side, do I know what the original price is? I buy at a 20% off sale. I buy a shirt for £80 in the sale. So I don't actually know what the original price is just yet. I know that after the sale or during the sale, after I apply a 20% discount, the price was £80. Now, why is that useful for me? So if I just rub this bit out here, that will do. Okay, so if I think about this, right? If I reduce a price by 80%, by 20% rather, the new price must actually be 100%, which is the original value, take away 20%. I'm actually trying to work out 80% of the original value. I know what the new price is. I know that after a 20% deduction, okay, that the price is £80. So what that actually means is the £80 is actually 80% of the original value. So 80% is actually £80. If I'm trying to work out the original price, what I'm actually trying to do is work out 100%. So how would I do that? Basically, if I'm using a non-calculator, if I'm doing a non-calculator question, I want to work out what either 1% is or 10% or any number that can help me jump to 100%. So because I'm using slightly easier numbers here, I can work out what 10% is. How do I get to 10% from 80%? Very simply, I just divide it by 8 And just like a mirror, I also divide, or maybe not, also divide this side by 8. 80 divided by 8 is £10. So that means 10% of the original value of the price is £10. How do I get from 10% to 100%? Times it by 10. Just like a mirror, I times it by 10 again. So what that means is the original value of this shirt is £100. Okay, so we call it reverse percentages because you've worked backwards. You've gone from a sale value backwards to the original value, or i.e. in reverse, hence the name. Okay, so let's do another example. So I've done a percentage decrease question. Say, how about this? I sell a product. I sell for 25% more than what I paid, i.e. my profit. I sell for, let's do £400. £400. How much did I buy this product for? This product originally for. Okay, so I sell for 25% more than what I paid. I sell it for £400. How much did I buy this product for originally? So again, how do I know that this is a reverse percentage question? Because it's not telling me that £400 is the original value. It's telling me that £400 is the value after I've increased it by 25%. So what percentage is this actually? If I've increased by 25%, what that means is the original value, which is 100%, plus 25% is the same as 400. So actually, 125% is £400. So I'm trying to work out what 100% is. Okay, so I'm trying to work out what 100% is. Now, what I can do is try and work out how any value to actually work out, use to jump to 100%. Now, let's use 1%. Just for argument's sake, let's say I don't know how to work out from 125% to 25%, then 100%. Let's say I don't know that. I'll try and work out 1%. How do I work out 1% again? I divide by itself. So I divide by 100. So just like a mirror, I divide this side by 125. Sorry, I said 125. So what is that? So obviously this side is, so what's 400 divided by 125, which is 3.2 or £3.20. And now from here, how do I get from 1% to 100%? I times it by 1. Same thing over here. Sorry, times it by 100. So £3.20 times 100 is £320. What that means is whatever this item was, I actually bought it for 320 and then I sold it off for a nice tidy profit of 25%, which is £400. Okay, so let's give you a chance to work out yourself. Oops. Okay, so let's say I sell for 19% more than what I paid. I sell for £62. What was my cost price? And what I'll do is you can pause the video here and I'll start getting 5 seconds. You can try it out yourself. Okay, so welcome back. So how would you have done this? So first of all, this is telling me again to work out my original cost price, which they haven't told me. All I do know is I've actually sold it for 19% more than what I paid for it. So what that means is actually from the original value of 100%, I've increased it by 19%. So therefore I'm on 119%, which is what price? £62. And now I'm trying to work out the original price, which is 100%. How do I do that? What number can I go from 119 to and then jump to 100? So I can't really think of any. So therefore, by default, let me go to 1. How do I do that? I divide by itself, which is 119. I also divide this side by 119, which is 62 divided by 119, which is 0.521. So 0.521. So if I times that by 100, because I'm trying to work out 100%, I also times this side by 100, which gives me £52. And I can't remember exactly what it was. Let's say it's 10. Okay, so £52 and 10 pence. So hopefully that clarifies a bit more about reverse percentages. In the next video, we will do reverse percentages using the multiplier calculator method.